it's getting cold in your home. Well, it's cold out, you know. Your thermostat ain't working, Lord, and you don't know what's wrong. Well, and I'm coming over. Hold on, just keep holding on, Daddy. I'm gonna park on your lawn. I'm gonna turn your heat on. Well, I'll bring the parts when I come. Little tune-up's all you're needing. Been a tune-up all along. I'm coming over. Hold on, just hold on a minute. I'm gonna park on your lawn right out there. You've been under, you won't need them when I'm gone. No, I'm coming over. Hold on. Yes, I'm gonna park on your lawn. Jimmy Doo. Serviceman's all service when he makes that service right. I'm coming over, hold on. I'm gonna park on your lawn. You see, a furnace man's all business when he makes that furnace right.